What's up guys, Javier from That Racing Channel. Welcome back to another episode, and we have a super special one for our Audi fans today. Behind me, we have Gabe's 2018 Audi TTRS, and this thing makes 1,400 wheel horsepower. This right here is the baddest street Audi in our area. We're gonna get a full rundown on the build, and we're gonna go for a ride and see what this thing's all about. Let's get into it. What's up guys, Javier from That Racing Channel. In case you didn't hear, we're giving you guys the opportunity to win the TRC 2JZ S14 or Turbo S2000 plus 10,000 in cash. We have some awesome new merch on the site. It's all in stock and ready to ship. And don't miss our limited time only 10 times bonus entry offer. Any purchase you make on thatracingchannel.com will automatically get you entered to win one of these badass TRC builds. Now let's get back into the action and get back to today's video. Gabe, what's up my man?
How's it going?
Good to see you, brother. Thanks for bringing us out to check out the Audi here, the Beast. Word is this is probably the baddest street Audi out here in Mexico, you know?
Yeah, I would say so.
So give us the rundown, man. I know you said, so it's making north of, what, 1,350, maybe 1,400 wheel horsepower?
Yeah, yep.
First off, pop the hood. Let us see what you're working with. I imagine you got to be running a pretty dang big turbo to be making, and some nitrous on top, right?
Correct.
We got some nitrous on top.
We do. We got some fun juice.
Hell yeah, dude. Sweet. So what size turbo is that?
So it's a Precision 7275 Next Gen. So it's a big boy.
Man, that 7275 Next Gen is no joke, bro. Yeah. Those recently came out and they picked up pretty big horsepower compared to the previous.
It's running about 60 pounds of boost, so it's a lot of boost. For a little 5-cylinder.
That is wild, and it's tucked nicely back in there.
It is, yeah, it's hiding.
Honestly, bro, like, people know these things are fast, but I gotta say, in this form, it's pretty much a sleeper, man. You can pull up on the street and people might think, okay, it's maybe making 500, 600, 700, maybe 1,000, but dude, 1,400 wheel horsepower?
Yeah, there's no way to tell, especially with the rim and tire setup, so.
Oh man, that's awesome, dude. So yeah, give us the full rundown.
Yeah, so it's a 2018 TTRS. It's a built motor, sleeved. It's on a 7275 Next Gen, a 50 shot of nitrous. And honestly, the most impressive thing about it is the drivetrain is stock. So stock axles, stock drive shaft, stock trans, all it has is a clutch. So it's really impressive what these cars can do and how much power they can take before, you know, braking.
So this is kind of like a little baby R8, you know, you got half the cylinders.
That's what it's called. That's what people call it, the baby R8 for sure.
Any idea what this thing weighs?
3,100 with me in it, so yeah, it's pretty light.
Rocket ship, dude.
Yeah, it's literally a mini rocket ship for sure, and it feels like that when you...
We saw you out at OSW the other day when we were filming that Forester that broke the record for like quickest Forester, but what did you run that day?
So I ran at 836 at 170.
Dude, that's flying.
We were moving for sure.
And what like setting was that? You got some more in it, or what's?
Yeah, I've definitely got more in it. We've got about another 200, 250 horsepower to throw at it. So we're gonna try to go 7. So that's the goal. That's the ultimate goal, is to go a 7 in a street car. So
that is wild.
It's got AC, it's got full interior, it's got dash.
You daily this thing, right?
Yeah, I daily the car, so.
Oh, that's gangster. Yeah, go ahead and fire it up for us, dude.
Yeah, sure.
Man, that's one hell of a daily. See, that's what's awesome about one of these compared to like an R8 or something. Like, this is definitely like something I'd want a daily compared to like an R8 or something, you know what I mean? So you got the carbon
the carbon buckets, yeah.
Hell yeah.
They're surprisingly comfortable. I don't mind them at all, so.
AC and 1,400 horsepower. I'll take that every day. Give you guys a walk around here. So unassuming. If I saw this thing roll up, I would never guess it made 1,300 plus wheel horsepower. Freaking insane, guys. Who built this thing?
So this is built by Chris Bennigan at Overnight Performance and tuned by Darren DeChara at Double D Tuning. So They're the goats.
Darren, dude, my boy. Dude, that's OG, like, Supra guy.
They both came from the Supra, both Chris and Darren. So now they're tuning these fast Audis. I mean, I don't know, man. Quite the change.
All right, man. Well, what do you say we go for a little spin?
All right, hop in, man.
Let's do this. So what fuel system, is this on E85 or?
Yeah, so it's fully E85. It's got 6 fuel pumps actually, 3 in tank, 3 out, and it's actually port injected and direct injected. ID 2600, so it's got all the fuel, the fuel.
Hell yeah, dude. Awesome, man. All right, guys, so we're going for a spin, the 1400 horsepower TTRS, and we're gonna start it off with a bang. So we're gonna do a dig.
Yes, we are. Are you ready?
Yeah. Dude, these things are amazing.
Starts off a little slow, and then as soon as that boost comes in,
I mean, you can tell there's a massive turbo on this thing, right?
Yeah.
Because
it takes a little bit to spool.
Yeah, it takes a little bit to spool, but then the second that hit the next gear, it hit like second gear.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. It's probably boost by gear.
It is, yeah.
Well.
So in first gear, it gives very minimal boost, so it doesn't spin, and then as soon as it clicks out second, it's all of it.
Gangster. So this thing's like street mode, dude, because like, you know, a lot of guys will just leave it turned up and they like spinning tires and all that, but you'll lose a race doing that, you know?
Oh yeah, 100%.
Or like, you like not much is leaving like that from a dig, and then it just progressively more power as it comes in, so.
Yeah, 100%.
So you've had some street fun in this thing, huh?
I have, yes. A lot of street fun.
My man. Hell yeah, dude.
Every weekend.
Every weekend?
Yeah, we go to Mexico every weekend.
1, 2, 3.
I've seen this car for a long time. You've come to our Street Kings events and like our OSW events, and like over the years, we hadn't really met much till that day at OSW, but I've seen this car around, and I've also seen like a lot of random clips of this thing just doing work on the street, dude.
Yeah.
You also have like a stick shift Supra?
Yes, I do. A Mark IV Supra, yes.
Hell yeah. I know I've seen clips of that.
Yes.
Dude, we're gonna have to plug a couple of that, like, you know, so you Audi guys that are watching the video, just hold tight. We're gonna give you some 2J stuff, because we're all about the 2Js. I think I'm ready to feel the full deal, and I know from a roll this thing gets all the beans.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a lot. Think of that, it's gonna be 10 times more.
Man, that's wild. All right, so 60 to 130. See if we can get this to focus here. 319, dude, that is nutty. That's wild. I mean, we're talking like, okay, so there's like some insane stuff out there these days, right? But for a daily drivable AC, I mean, unsuspecting, you know, essentially basic wheel and tire on this thing, 319 is pretty wild.
Yeah, it's moving for sure. Only thing that's going like faster than that is GTRs, R8.
Yeah, GTRs and R8s, dude. Like I've seen like you know, all-wheel drive Honda guys try on the street like 60 to 130s, and I mean, I think the best I've seen is like 3.2, something like that maybe. There might be an Evo out there that's in this range, but that's like one on the planet. The old TRC Evo dance car. But man, that's dog box. That's, you know, high strung, you know, wild stuff. This is super cool, man. So at this level, how reliable has the platform been for you? Have you been through like motors or trans or anything like that?
It's pretty reliable. I blew a Garrett G40 turbo. I overspooled it, but it was only rated for 1100 horsepower, and this thing's a little bit over 1100.
So you're spinning that thing like crazy.
Yeah, I overspooled it, but now that I have the 7275, we haven't really had any issues. It makes the power.
Like motor's been good, trans has been good.
Yeah, the only thing was the clutch a little bit. We just put a new clutch in it, but the clutch wasn't rated for as much power as we're making. So I mean, as long as you put in the parts that are,
I mean, that's definitely a wear and tear item in these for sure. Especially you're drag racing this thing. You're not just roll racing.
Bro, and especially when you're using nitrous. Nitrous is hard on stuff. So yeah,
that's freaking awesome. Did this thing just go 3.4 with me in it?
Yeah. No nitrous, all boost, just having a good time.
What the f***? It caught me so off guard, dude. That rolling anti-lag kicks you in the chest.
Yeah, as soon as it hits, it's like...
Like, I've been in some like cars that really hit with the rolling anti-lag. A lot of the times I'm like, it would have been better like brake boosting it. Yeah. Dude, that hits.
The DAZA rolling anti-lag is different, I'm telling you.
How does anything beat this in a roll race that's not one of these? Like,
you gotta have like a 2,000 horsepower GTR.
Like any rear-wheel drive car is racing one of these things, dude.
Yeah, for sure.
Bro, my man. This thing is wild.
It just pulls and shifts nice and everything.
Legit, I can't believe this thing just like nonchalant. This guy loves it. Hell yeah, bro. God damn it, every time I ride in one of these things, first it was like TX2K with IROS, got me itching. Now I'm itching again, man. I need one of these things in my life. Drop a comment below if you want to see us build an Audi that goes 3.4, 60 to 130, and then give it away to one of you guys.
That would be quite the giveaway.
What do you guys think? All right, round two.
Look at the time, buddy.
Bro, this thing just went 100 to 150. 100 to 150 in 3.2 seconds. What the? Dude, this thing is nutty, dude. That's another 3.4, 60 to 130.
Yep, it's consistent.
This thing is rowdy, dude. Dude, this thing gets a massive TRC approved stamp, dude. My face is probably gonna be pretty hilarious. Like on the hit, like I had to like flex my stomach to like just, dude, like this thing just wants to.
Yeah, that one was like,
oh man,
for sure.
Like I wish we could. Can you pull up the G-force like on the hit, dude? I was gonna say like probably somewhere around like 1.4, 1.5, but that's insane.
Yeah, I would say probably 1.5, but the highest I've seen is 1.9. So
that's nuts. I imagine on the launch too, it gotta be pretty wild. Man, dude, thank you so much, brother.
Yeah,
honestly,
anytime.
I can't thank you enough for letting us check out your ride, man.
Yeah.
This thing is super gangster. This thing does work on the street. Good luck chasing your record, man. So you've been 8.3 at 170. I know you said you're trying to go a 7, right?
Yep, and we have all this stuff to do it now. That was on stock suspension, so now we got double adjustable shocks from Ridealong Labs. We got custom B-Lac bead locks on the way, so once all that stuff's on, I mean, I don't see a reason why we couldn't go 7, so we'll improve our short track, and now I got a new clutch. We can spray it with more nitrous. Like, bro, we're right there, right there.
Dude, well, call us. Maybe we can come and document that pass. What's the world's quickest right now?
I believe the world's quickest was Ridealong Labs. They went a 7.99, I believe, was their time slip at like 170, so the same mile per hour. They just have a lot better short track. Yeah.
Dude, you're right there, bro.
I am.
Knocking on that door.
Got to keep pushing.
Hell yeah, dude. Well, thank you again, man. Yep. Guys, thanks for tagging along. Do a little shameless plug here. We got some new merch on the site. We got a giveaway going on. TRC 240, Turbo S2000. Check out some merch, scoop some merch, get a chance to win a TRC car. Thanks for tagging along. We'll see you next time.